Good evening, Rick from the Unrecognizable Vlog for another vlog. Starting off one on a Sunday night during a blizzard. Because we're just sitting in the house, right? But because it's blizzarding outside. It is. It's blizzarding. 65-mile-an-hour winds, snow, roads impassable on the western part of the state. Let's see how they get here. I was just out about 2 hours ago and not too bad so far, but might as well do a vlog, right? Might as well do a vlog. It's going to be a good one. Stick around. Baby kitty. Baby kitty. Baby kitty. Baby kitty. I love my baby kitty. I love my Amy kitty. I love her. I love her. This is what I get when I pull out the camera. She comes running up and just lovely adores me. It's Rick and Amy channel, really. It's the Amy channel. It's all Amy. You want a good view, guys? Hey, oh, she won't let me show you. Here, there's a good view. That's what I think all you. You're bungholes. No, I'm just kidding. You're not. That's the good view we have here. But she's amazing. This is what I get all the time. I am a lucky guy. Our blizzard, about 5 inches of snow. I don't know, maybe less, but it snowed, and it's a mess. Winds blowing. Blizzard warning just got off at 4 o'clock in the morning, and the wind is still blowing pretty hard, probably about 45, 50 miles an hour, and not too many people on the road, as you can see this morning. Usually it's a lot busier at this time. I live at one of the corners. It's pretty busy here. We have a lot of traffic coming through on the way to the four-way, which is a 4-lane road. So yeah, it's a snowstorm. The blizzard wasn't. I don't know. Blizzard means high wind. It doesn't mean lots of snow. Generally, can be both, but generally not. I mean, that's Iowa. Sometimes we get a lot more, but not this storm. So hopefully it'll melt quick. We're supposed to get warmer this week into the 70s. So look forward to that too, because it's going to be epic. I think that's Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's going to be that warm. So pretty stoked. It'll melt pretty quick.
And
this is what the roads look like this morning.
Don't you watch people like, what's his name, Nick?
Going to the hospital for a doctor's appointment. Not too bad this time of day. Earlier, it was a lot worse. Looks like this has been, spin the tires. It's a little slick. Probably C Avenue is better, but this one's not too bad. Could be a lot worse. There we go. Gary's apartment. Yonzos. Going to the hospital. Stop off and see the dog all over here. Maybe not. She likes some company. It's actually warmed up quite a bit from what it was earlier. Probably 10, 15 degrees. which is nice. The sun's out, which is helping melt the snow, which was not the case earlier. The streets are beautiful in the fall, too. Here's an old school, Grant School up on the left. It's a big school. I had a friend that lived there. He let me stay there. I don't know if he's a friend, but he let me stay there when I was without a home. Stayed there for a bit. And coming down here, we'll have 9th Street. I'll go over 9th, which we used to live on. Won't go all the way down. I'll go over to C Street, C Avenue. Roads aren't too bad at all. In fact, they're pretty good considering. Could be a lot worse after a snowfall. I don't have to be there until I'll probably get a big cup of water from the cafeteria. It's because I need to drink to go to the bathroom. This is one of those trips. Gotta have to pee in the cup. Not for a drug test, but one of those. I don't even know the doctor I'm seeing today. Quick drive around town. It doesn't take long to get across town in this town. This street's really good. The hospital's always good because they always clear it for ambulances. I usually take the bus, but today I have a car, so I can go at my free will. You have to leave at like 10. It's so convenient to have a car. Some of the freedoms of car ownership, which I don't have. This is not my car. This is Billy's car. And it's a nice car nonetheless. I'm appreciative. Is there a space? No spaces. There's one right here. We are here. Home, which is good. To the hospital I'm back to deal with my medical issue. Fun. There she is. There's my girl. Can't escape her. Washing in the wash. Crazy cat. I'm back at home. I have antibiotics coming. Yay! Yay, antibiotics! Yay! That way I won't die or have other bad things happen to me. That's epic. Stoking for that, you know. Can't wait. Anyway, end of a vlog and the start of a new to horizon for to new tomorrow, or something grateful like that. Something really, really broad and encompassing that means everything to everyone. A brave new tomorrow. Anyway, lost 10 pounds. Was it more than 3 pounds? 10 pounds. I was at 238 last time and at 226 now. Stoking. Woohoo! Intermittent fasting and kettlebell workout is working. Yay!